guys, today we're talking about warm fat sounds, but first, say hi to Gizzy. How do we make our warm fat sound? Well, we do some soft clipping, but before we can do some soft clipping, we have to find out what is meant by soft and hard clipping, and how do we get it. Back in the 70s, I made a tube amplifier that used some ECC 83 triode tubes and some EL 34 matched pentode tubes, 4 of them in a push-pull configuration. How about that? And we wondered why people today seem to think that tubes are the only way to get that tube sound. We can get the sound from many different sources, so we're on a mission. I have a clipper in my rig behind there, but can it do soft clipping? We know it can do hard clipping, but we don't know if it can do soft clipping. Hi guys, we're unable to demonstrate the soft clipping. The two waveforms are overlaid there and they're matching pretty identically. I'll just move them apart so you can see. See, there they are. One is going through the clipper and the other is direct from the oscillator. And what we're going to do now is we are going to adjust the clip level, and you can listen for it in the speaker. Hear that? See that? Have it clipping on one side or the other. Here we're clipping the plus but not the minus. Here we're clipping the minus but not the plus. Now, as you can see, we have the clipper there, and we can actually voltage control the clipper, set the amount with this switch for some real-time modulation effects. But we set the clip level here, and we produce the clipping effect either on both positive or minus with that switch. So as you heard and saw just now, the clipper basically turns a sine wave into a square wave, and that what is resulting in the change of the timbre from the mellow sine wave to the more aggressive and reedy sound of the square wave. Now the filter would do exactly the opposite. If we put in a square wave and we bring it down, what the filter will do is it will cut off the harmonics and turn the square wave into a sine wave. But friends, do we really need to do all this on an analog animal? What I've been trying to tell you people all along, your much cheaper FA06 or even gay SH01 is capable of doing all these wonderful things at a fraction of the cost. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.